Byfuglien now in the corner on the loose puck. Byfuglien in a battle with Gennon, gets it for Scheifele. Scheifele takes it to the net, scores! Matthew Perreault after Scheifele had a couple of whacks at it. And the Winnipeg Jets tie the game. 1-1. And 18th of the year for Matthew Perreault. That ties a career high for him for goals.
Well, Perreault picked up an assist on Scheifele's goal last game, and it started with him on the forecheck. Hard on Gennon. In comes support for Scheifele. A good job with the puck, and then a Perreault on top of Gennon creates the turnover. They just stay on top of the Jets. Good little cycle. Scheifele takes it to net, and then Perreault able to battle off Landeskog, find that loose puck, and he swats it into the back of the net to tie this up at 1.